Are you still filial to the child? Dad, what are you talking about? He is filial, I'm not filial. Be filial, okay. Anping. I know you have a problem with your section, Unsle and aunt. But home and everything. We should be talking to each other as a family. Grandpa is here today. I'll be apa acemaker. The two families will go back and forth frequently in the future. Since it is said to be a family. So there is no need to replace it with lobster. Ops Big Nepo. Auntie, I'm outspoken. Actually, it's not a bad idea. It's not all family. You see so many people in the village making money with the underground chagi. Your brother Anjun also needs money everywhere in school. Do you think other people's children also spend money on reading? You can just exchange the lobster for the chagi. You are younger than my father. It's not a big problem to stay up all night and get dozens of chaties of lobster. No one can live a good life without struggling. Harvest food without farming. Anting has a hard time reading two chapters. Women have long hair and short chronology. You are a big man. Why are you still arguing with a woman? Family anyay. If you know it's wrong, you can chang it. We are all family. Grandpa, they can chang it. Nature is there. You should have let them down. Let them climb up the pole. That way people should stop interacting. Hey, Grandpa has opened his mouth at an agi. Can you promise to give your second aunt some chages? I'll think about this. Can we not talk about this today? Jang Yongjun went to find his eldest brother Jang Yongbin again at night. He also handed over a box of large front doors. Show Utet a song. Jang Yongbin's heart softened. After thinking about it, it's all family. I gave him 20 chages. Don't tell Anping about the chage I gave you. And interest your young agi. Work hard at night. Walk far to the next village. In this case, one night is fine. Got dozens of chaties of lobster. That's a lot of money. Jiang Yongbin is still good to his brother. In his opinion, the brother is really a sibling. He would rather earn less himself. As long as he can, he will bring my brother with me. But Jang Yongjun was not very happy. Some greedily sighed big brother. What are you talking about? How far to the next village? You see, your home is not short of this money. Just 2 fish ponds Harry. Just get me into the chage. It's closer to my house. Don't forget that we are the same father. This sentence made Jang Yongbin stunned for a moment. But after thinking about it, he agreed. I'm actually a little uncomfortable, but think of brotherhood. And he didn't say anything. And he went home. Because 20 chages are missing. Plus the number of lobsters is also a little less. Zhang Anping still realized it. Wait until he hear from my father. It has been given to Jang Yongjun before and after. 30 or 40 chages later. Zhang Anping sighed helplessly. Dad? You'll regret it. You are so old. Some people's faces you still can see clearly. Long Sheng 80 chaches crayfish. The villagers who met. He harvest lobsters that he doesn't even eat chicken. Result. He did just make his first fortune selling crayfish. And with the Earth Dragon Himadi, bring the whole village on the road to wealth. This small rental house produces a lot of output in a day. Make more money than lobster now. But, the lobster exchange dragon in the village has slowly become saturated. You should be able to get those shops that sell fishing nets now. So, I have an idea. Zhang Anping was just about to go out with the Earth Dragon. Wasallam the anxious one air running over. Finally found you. It freaks me out. Come on. Your father was hit by a car. This will have been sent to the town hospital. Go and have a look. Hear what Wanger said. Zhang Anping was suddenly stunned. Past father. It's because Zhao Lingyun talks about to the river. You have to be crazy to get hit by a car. Brother Wang, your family has an extra car. Take me to the hospital quickly. How is mom and dad? Anping, your father hurt his internal organs. The doctor said, at least 10,000 yuan must be prepared for surgery in the county seat. Our family just sold the house. It's not worth $10,000. Mom, don't worry about scolding you, don't worry. I sold it downstairs a while ago and I still have some money in my hand. Dad can have an accident. I must save him. Out here we say, what's the use of raising a son? Zhang Anting was heartbroken to know about his mother. Because of such a big deal. For a rural woman. It's heaven. And what you can do is to carry the burden of my mother. The medical technology in this hospital is not good. I'll take a lock and transfer my father to the hospital. Jin Qiaofang's eyes are red. He feels in his heart that his son can stand at his time. It's nice to come out, but one sentence. The family is too poor. Transfer to physiological hospital. Who knows how much this injury will cost? My going bankrupt is not enough. Zhang Yongbin learned that Zhang Anping ignored opposition. After getting himself to the provincial hospital, the tears never stopped. He has a burden on the children. It is expensive to treat diseases in the province. Children used to be ignorant and offended many people. You are older. Licking the old face. Go to his parents' house and borrow some money from his grandfather. We will also reduce the burden on children in the future. Although Zhang Yongbin was injured, but the brain is still very clear. He knows that Zhang Anping has been a jerk all these years. Almost none of his relatives like him. Although he made some money catching lobsters. But the time is too short. Certainly not much money. Why does this kid have to be transferred to a provincial hospital? I don't know how much it will cost to save a little. So Metime's money is worth more than human life. When Anping is communicating with the doctor at this time, this is indeed a provincial hospital. Zhang Yongbin just transferred to the hospital. Various tests and treatment plans have been arranged. Now we have two options. A kind of regional conservation without surgery. It costs less. Around 5,000 will do. But maybe in a few months the injury will worsen and he will die. Another option is to hire a specialist to do the surgery. The surgery has a 90% success rate. But the cost 30,000. At this moment, there is only one solution for Zhang Anping. Because he knows, there is no chance of survival without surgery. But Zhang Anping has no 30,000. He only had $20,000. The money is still wretched. Earned day and night. He opted for surgery. I'm going to hire the best experts available to do it. This surgery. The sooner the better. I'm going to pay. The rest is not enough, he will find a way. I'll give you 3 days, Harry. After 3 days, the money is in place and the surgery can be arranged. Zhang Anping soon communicated with the doctor. I'm going back to raise money. There is still a gap in the treatment fee of 30,000 yuan. It has to be within 3 days. Collect the rest of the bad money. Zhang Anping returns to the village. Send the accumulated lobster to the city. After delivering the lobster, Zhang Anping went to the fishing gear store. Boss Liu, take a look at his furniture. If he give you wholesale, how much is 100 pieces? This is a lobster chage. For as a fishing gear shop owners. Take a look at the food. Think about it. I already know what to do in my heart. But during this time, there are really many people inquiring about his Earth Dragon. This also allows Boss Liu to see business opportunities. Up to 5 yuan. This stuff is actually very cheap. Just give you $5. You must have earned something too. Okay, $5 is $5. Returning home after leaving the fishing gear store, Zhang Anping packed up. I went to the fish pond at night. With a bucket in his hand. Very basically in a pond. Just at some bite at night. 10 a few hours later. Just take out some of the lobster. Zhang Anping plans to stay up as a tunics. A lobster in tunics can dream up at least 2,0 kilograms. In urgent need of money now. And has a lot of money. But when Zhang Anping went to the pond, he picked up a ground chage at random and took a look. There's very little lobster in it. Only a few. At first glance, it is the kind of empty chage where the lobster is taken away. Who moved my chage? Zhang Anping frowned. Everyone in this village knows that he has a land dragon in his house. And for the sake of distinction, the color of his dragon and net, it's different from everyone else's. So not many people in the village moved their land dragon. Unless it's Zhang Yongjun. Nominally, he is his second uncle. In the eyes of the villagers, they are a family. Sure enough, wait until Zhang Anping goes to other fish ponds. Soon Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam Zhang Yongjun carrying 2 buckets full of lobsters. When excitedly walking back, Zhang Anping blocked his way. Uncle, this is my lobster, right? Then I really want to thank you. You've been fishing lobster for my family for 2 days. When my dad is discharged from the hospital, let him treat you to dinner. Zhang Anping shouted second uncle. But there was no smile on his face. Because he knows, Zhang Yongjun is not a kind help. He just wanted to take advantage of the opportunity. What nonsense are you talking about? Who choke your lobster? Their dragon I myself picked up by myself. Don't talk nonsense. Get out of my way. Your way? Where did you get the chagi? Is you lobsters? They were all fished out of my chagi. Aren't you a man of all things? Did you say it's hard to read 2 chapters? My dad is in the hospital. Why are you here to rob something? Who robbed your house? Don't spill blood. You, a junior, have not learned anything else. How did you learn to talk nonsense? That is, there is no literature every day, and children are not educated. My Anjun will not be like you. Zhang Yongjun's words are like standing in heaven. Suddenly ignited Zhang Anting's anger. Step forward and grab Zhang Yongjun's neckline. Lifted people up. Help, Zhang Anting killed Someone. Please don't. I'm your Unsle. I was just kidding you. Unsle, I'm not thanking you. Helped my family catch lobster for 2 days. How much did the lobster make in 2 days? Zhang Anping sighed silly. But the hand is secretly working hard. Carry Zhang Yongjun like a small machine. This horror made Zhang Yongjun instantly understand. He really have no strength to fight back in front of him. Only 0 kilograms. He haven't picked his bucket back today. Where are the lobsters sold? And give me the money you sold. I went to the next village to sell it. TIGV 650. You can ask. Reswan over there that's also starting to collect lobsters. Sure enough, Zhang Anping was not at home for a day. Someone started competing with him for the lobster business. And that was kind of expected. Zhang Anping did take her too much. He just forced Zhang Yongjun to give him the money. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Looking at the lobster in the bucket at my feet, holding the 650 yuan in his hand. Looking at Zhang Yongjun who was so embarrassed and flat. This is how people should be dealt with. Good words don't work. Just scare me. Works better than anything. This matter. Zhang Yongjun, who was sweating profusely, entered the house. It alerted the yellow chrysanthemum. Looking at men like that. Yellow chrysanthemums are so beautiful. What are you doing in a hurry? Could it be that you have encountered a robbery? Harder than robbers. It was Zhang Anping who took all my money. 650 yuan. What a bandit. Zhang Yongjun poured a large glass of water. Dual person can be regarded as slow down. This time Zhang Anping really scared him a lot. No, let's report the case. Go to the village chief. Go to the police. It's a crime. It can just be hidden like this. More than 600 yuan. Isn't that is killing me? Here, Zhang Anping jumped back both buckets of lobster. And hurried to the fish pond again. He is not going to sleep tonight. Whatever you say, you have to guard as a chagas. Try to catch more lobsters. Wait until dawn. He went home and weighed his lobsters. A total of 1,150 kilograms. This output also made him really fat. Lin Yun, you are talking about lobster at home. I'm going to squint for a while. At this time, Zhang Anping was dizzy. Uncomfortable all over. Even so, he didn't dare to sleep too long. Because he has to rush into town in the afternoon. Sell all today's lobsters. It's just that Zhang Anping just lie down for a while. He was awakened by a loud noise. When he woke up, he found that the village chief and the police were there. And many people from the village also came. Standing in the middle are Zhang Yongjun and Huang Chrysanthemum. And he were so excited. That's him, Zhang Anping. He was the one who robbed last night. Stole 650 bucks from me. If you don't give me the money, he will chase me away. Village chief, do you have to call the shots for us? There are a lot of robbers in the village. Who would be met by Zhang Anping in the middle of the night? If you don't give money, you will have a kidney. What about our beautiful old sisters-in-law? Yellow Chrysanthemum sighed so. The expressions of many onlookers changed greatly. Someone peeked at Zhang Anping. Someone secretly covered his waist. To be really like what the Yellow Chrysanthemum said. Who in this village dares to go out in the middle of the night to catch lobsters? Zhang Anping looked at the open face at his time. Look at the words of Zhang Yongjun and Huang Chrysanthemum again. Instantly understand what's going on. Unsle, what are you talking about? You didn't see me last night. Said my dad was in the hospital. You bro helped my old crayfish. A total of 1,50 kilograms. Because he was away from home, he sold it to the village next door. A total of 650 yuan. Why did Ibe Chome the one who stole your money? You are talking nonsense. Obviously you robbed. Got my 650 bucks. You have the nerve to cite that I gave it to you. Hear the words of Zhang Anping and Zhang Yongjun. The village chief and the police officer looked at each other. It's already very hot. I want to continue to see what the two parties have to say. I'm not the only one in this village with a long mouth. You can ask who owns the village dragon. My earth dragon is different from other people's. You and my dad are brothers again. He is hospitalized. It's okay if your brother does the want to help. Why did you accuse me of robbery? Is your 650 money for selling lobster? And the lobster? Did you get it from Zhang Anping's underground chage? Zhang Yongjun was also confused by the question. He nodded in agreement, but soon found that it seemed to be valid. Because of this, the villagers seemed to understand the feelings. Zhang Yongjun is in his eldest brother's chage. 1,50 kilograms of lobster were chow, sold for 650 and then the money was taken by Zhang Anping. Isn't that what brothers do for each other? Zhang Yongbin is hospitalized and his life is unknown. Zhang Yongjun, brothers helped me do it all night. This will actually cite Zhang Anping Robert. Zhang Yongjun, your brother is hospitalized and needs money. That chage belongs to everyone else. A dozen yuan per chage. There are no more than 200 underground chages. Where did you come from selling lobster 650? It's really everyone. Brothers helping each other can also be called robbery by you. Many villagers who understand the situation, shaking their heads there. I just think Zhang Yongjun is shameless enough. My brother is hospitalized for life and death. Won't it help to find a way to save people? He actually hit the big brother the longest idea. I want to send my nephew to prison. Village chief does the look good at her. Exchanged opinions with the police officer. Tell me about Zhang Anping's family situation. And it also explains the ownership of the underground chage. After the police left, the village chief also called Zhang Anping aside. He asked about his father's hospitalization. The situation is not a lack of money. He also stuffed 200 yuan into Zhang Anping. Say a little talk. Village chief has moved Made Zhang Anping stoned for a while. Still a little touched. He usually ignored the village chief. He didn't expect the critical moment. The face of the so-called relatives. But outsiders are willing to lend a helping hand. More box. It's okay, your brain is flexible. Don't go the wrong way. It will be wise to make money in the future. Bring more villagers. As long as people are okay, I'm going to be fine. Ladies and gentlemen, Uncles and Uncles are here. Zhang Yongjun was originally my second uncle, but today he was accused of robbery. Throw this dirty water on me. There is no such second uncle in my family, no such relatives. So starting today, the two families will be cut off. No more contact. And my dragons are different from everyone else's. If Zhang Yongjun dares to touch my dragon again, he was caught stealing something. Don't blame others for doing it. You little brat. You are a junior. Do you have the right to speak about such a big thing? Can you be in charge? That's between me and your dad. What's your business? What is size doesn't count? Does it count? I'm your sister-in-law. When you got married, he borrowed 200 yuan from my mother's house for you to pick up yellow chrysanthemums. You always cited the eldest sister-in-law is like a mother for this money. He didn't say anything about paying back the money. Your son goes to Kali. My family sold the chef and collected 500 yuan for your family. You were sick and hospitalized last year. We also sent 300 yuan there. But my man is hospitalized and you don't say a penny. And slandered my son as a robbery. And take the opportunity to say my things. I'll tell you now. In the future, the two families will be cut off. Relatives like you. We can't afford it.
Terima kasih banyak untuk kalian yang sudah menonton video ini sampai selesai. Ini adalah pertama kalinya saya membuat video, jadi pasti masih banyak kekurangan, terutama di beberapa bagian terjemahan yang mungkin terasa kurang tepat dan membuat kalian tidak nyaman. Saya sangat berharap bisa mendapatkan masukan dari kalian di kolom komentar, agar saya bisa memperbaiki dan menyajikan konten yang lebih baik di video-video selanjutnya. Terima kasih banyak atas dukungannya, dan sampai jumpa di video berikutnya.